Most people get this wrong. They assume Pay Swiftly is just another payday or buy now, pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment payments, and spending management tools in one platform. When used responsibly, it can help cover short-term expenses without creating long-term debt. Here's how Pay Swiftly works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. Eligible purchases can be split into smaller payments over several weeks. Instead of interest, Pay Swiftly charges a flat, predictable fee per transaction or advance. It also offers dashboards, repayment reminders, and alerts to help you track spending and plan your finances. The downside, overuse can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments quickly add up, and relying too heavily on the app may hide poor budgeting habits. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders for all payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on advances. Who should use Pay Swiftly? People with stable income who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, Pay Swiftly may end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, Pay Swiftly in 2026 is a useful financial tool, but only when used wisely. Track fees, stick to repayment schedules, and treat it as a temporary aid rather than a permanent solution. Subscribe for more practical financial reviews and tips to manage your money smarter.